So in this video, I'm going to take you through a quick demo of Image Maker, which is an amazing AI-powered tool that uses your descriptions to generate pretty much any image you can think of. Let's get into it. So as soon as you're on the app, you're immediately taken on to the main function of the app, which is where you can generate images using your descriptions. So you have this text box here where you can put in pretty much anything. Let's say I've written a blog post about how great apples are for your health, and I want a main image in my blog post. I could type in a healthy, fit woman eating a juicy red apple, smiling. Over here, I can pick the size of the image and I can also pick the number of iterations that I want. Once I hit generate, it's literally that simple. I'm going to be shown 3 different examples of images based on the description that I wrote. Now, this can be used in so many different ways. It's super fun for kids who might have creative projects to do at school. For example, they can describe different kind of monsters, like let's do an example here using voice. We just click on generate, so we just use voice diction for that, which was super simple. And then before you know it, you are given different images. So you can just click on the generated image, you can download it to your photo gallery here. You can also save it in your cloud storage so that it's stored in your library, and you can also publish it here, which I'll be going into more in just a moment. For now, I'm just going to click publish. You can, of course, use this for content creation too, blog posts being one example. The best thing about this is that you don't have to worry about purchasing images to use or stress about things like copyright and royalties. So here's my library of some images I generated and used. You can generate image to use as memes or as social media posts if you're building up a page like on Instagram. For example, I generated this funny cartoon to do so. And what's great about this is if I click on this, you can see, of course, I can download it. I can share it with friends and family via message. I can favorite it or delete it. So that's a good way of keeping track. If you're a logo designer, you can test out visuals on here. For example, I was checking out logo images for a cupcake company and I was shown different options, like this one right here. Basically, if you want to visualize anything, this is perfect for playing around with and for using hassle-free pictures from. So now let's talk more about the publish feature. When you publish something, it comes up here in the public artwork section, like the image we just published of the monster. And this is really cool because you can see what other people are generating and you can put your creations here too. It has a really cool community aspect and you can actually go ahead and like other people's work. If you want to unpublish something, you can just click on the image and click unpublish. And then finally, you can just go to your account up here. And if you want to delete your account, you can do so here. You can also just check all of the images that you have generated, shared, and downloaded. You can contact the team if you need help with anything, and you can also check out their help articles. And of course, you have the sign out button. So that's pretty much everything. I hope you found this video useful and that you have fun using this awesome tool. Whether you're just having some creative fun with your kids, visualizing things as a professional graphic designer, or this is just your hobby, it's great for everyone.